Hello. First, enable Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access Network in your After Effects. Then, insert the script in the ScriptUI Panels folder of your After Effects version. So let's get started. Let's say you have a project with a ready-made composition such as this one, and you need to create several more similar compositions but with different products, prices, etc. Doing this manually would take a very long time, but our script will do it in a second. Open the script, select Window, and click on the script name at the very bottom. For convenience, the script window can be embedded in the interface, like this. By default, the script displays the currently open composition, and at the moment we have 0 tags, so let's quickly create them once, and we won't need to do this again. Enter the name of the tag list and create the list. Now create the necessary tags one below the other. So we need a product tag, an old price tag, and a new price tag. Next, we will create tags for each specification, a label tag, a discount tag, and a logo tag. That's all we need to replace, and that's why we're creating tags. Now you just need to assign each tag to all the layers that need to be replaced. Let's do it quickly. This is done only once, and after that you can create a copy of this composition with other data as many times as you like. Now let's save the template of our list of data that needs to be changed somewhere on the disk. If we open this file now, we can see that all our tags with data from the composition have been successfully saved. I have a list for 3 other similar compositions with 2 products in each, and now I will insert the data from this list into our template. Each composition is marked with the same name in the variation column. These names can be anything. Next, I will insert the names of the images for each product that have already been inserted into the project. The script will find them all itself. Then the names of the logos, and so on. The data for all the other tags in the list. Let's save the list, and now insert it into our script and click the Generate button, and that's it. All 3 compositions with new data and new images were created in seconds. Note that all the original positions of all elements have been preserved, as well as the left-aligned text, etc. All you have to do is slightly adjust the size of the images if necessary. Also, if you select Add to Render Queue, all compositions created by the script will be immediately added to the render queue. You can also create copies of compositions in another language if you tag the layers with different languages. For example, these 3 text layers in the specification. You can create copies of these layers with text in another language. Mark each layer with the tags of the desired language. For example, these 3 layers in English, and these 3 layers in Russian. And by marking the name with the tag N or RU in the variation column of the list, the script will automatically enable the layers in that language. You can also save all your previous settings, tag lists, etc. in the script. You can also save the settings to a separate file, which can be imported into the script on any device. Another important feature of the script is that it is multilingual. 2 languages are already built into the script, and to switch to another language, you need to restart the script. The new language will then be applied, but you can create and add your own language to the script. To do this, export the translation template to a separate file. Open this file. It will have 3 columns, a column with names in English, and a column for translation. This is where you need to insert the translation of the entire text into your language. For example, I inserted the French translation. Let's save the file. Now I will insert it into the script, select a new language, and restart the script. As you can see, the script is now in French. This way, you can add any language and use it as you see fit. You can delete the added language if you no longer need it. To do this, switch to any other built-in language, and then you will be able to delete the added language.
Create an unlimited number of variations of your original composition with the Data-Driven Variations Pro script. This will save you a lot of precious time. Ha ha! And your boss will be happy.